Okay, so after I slept, I woke up in this shit. I literally got hacked. Is Dragon Fruit gambling or what? I actually deleted the message. See, that I got hacked. You were banned in here, Spargons. Hacked. You were muted in yielding arts for 1 hour auto mod offline. See, I got literally muted. See, see, it sent all of the message in my friends. Coach, legendary spread, no. Type 3, no. What about Bish? Yes, it sent, bro. Look, I'm excited to announce the launch of my very own Crypto Casino. To celebrate, I'm giving away 2,000 to everyone who registers. And you can withdraw the bonus instantly. How to win, Remo? How to claim your reward? Go to gemwex.com. Do not go in that. Okay, do not go in that link. Enter the special promo code gift. Receive your. This post will be deleted 1 hour after public setup. See? So this is a person. This is basically a scam, man. Like, bro, look at this. This is literally a scam, bro. See? This is like some Indian bitch, bro. This is like some Indian bitch who literally. Oh my. See? Literally some Indian bitches. I think it sent to my brother also. It did, bro. Oh, this. That is not me. I didn't send that. Bro, I like Sanita. If you're seeing this, that is not me. I did not send that. Please believe me, bro. I literally just Blade? Yes, it's sent to Blade. Oh my god. Astrid? Yes, it's sent to Astrid. Man, Astrid is my favorite friend of all. PGT, bro. It's sent to PGT. Oh my gosh. Maru? It's literally sent to Maru. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It even sent to Butler. What? Kedar? It did. Oh my gosh, bro. It's literally sending everyone the message. Kamin Nemak. I don't even know who this guy is. TM. Oh, guys, this is the guy I met on Minecraft. The Bedwars, what is this? The 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 Pika network. I was literally hacking in Pika network, and this guy was hacking to invade. My mom, bro, it even sent to my mom. What? Oh, this guy. Who's this guy, bro? Vigil, it's set to Vigil, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Asher, Asher. Oh my god. Sent to Sander. Oh my. Sent to Chess. Oh my god. It sent to Cross. No, the kind-hearted soul, man. No, 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 no. I hope he didn't go in that lake, bro. He literally is the kind-hearted in the Discord shop of mine, man. Even sent to Frost. Yeah, this is the child kicker, man. This is a child drop kicker. Oh, my main account. Man, I don't even use this guy because my previous video I literally got terminated, bruh. My account got suspended in that account, so I can't literally use it, man. See? This is just a chaos. Bro, it even sent to my brother. I don't know, some fucking camera. That is, see, I literally, bro. If you guys don't know, the outro songs is literally I Like Sanita's song. Pero subscribe to him, bro. His songs are W, man. W. If he's gonna do that, I'm gonna fuck. Yeah, scam. And you get banned. See what happens, man. See what happens. Always get in them. Dude, I literally got banned in Heroes Baragons for being hacked. Like, bro, okay, so if I go in here's Battlegrounds, I literally cannot go in. I'm gonna apologize to Veli Omar. No, he didn't got that. Alright guys, that's it for the news right now. I'm trying to recover from my friends because I think they believed in me. One of my friends, the Jade Warrior, aka the person who gave me the Mirai Kuriyama set, the Rimuru set, and Armstrong, he's literally kind-hearted too. He gave me the Armstrong Game Pass, the Rimuru set, and the Mirai Kuriyama set. He gave me those. He literally believed that he wanted to check it out, man. I feel bad for him. I literally said that it's a fake, so I don't know. Maybe he went in the link or something, man. Dude, I'm literally so worried about man. Or I'm literally so worried about it. Like was just sleeping, right? Seriously sleeping. Then out of nowhere, I saw some motherfuckers setting some dead ass damn Indian. Like bro, these Indians are literally so overpowered right now. Like. You're just gonna be, hello sir. I need. Please say anything about like no shit, man. Can't believe this, man. What the fuck? Not gonna lie, man. This is no hate, but to the Indian scammers right there, I hate you guys. I'm not saying that I hate the country, I hate the people who scams in Indians. Bro, you're scamming innocent child, you fucking bitch. Asshole. Get a job, man. Get a fucking job. Get a real job, man. Get a fucking real job. Fuck you.